Welcome back to GearShift Garage, your ultimate destination for high-octane reviews, in-depth vehicle insights, and the latest updates from the world of motorcycles and cars. Today, we're diving deep into the highly anticipated 2025 Honda Gold Wing Trike, a touring icon reborn with unmatched comfort, innovative technology, and the unmistakable power of Honda engineering. Whether you're a seasoned long-distance rider or someone looking to enter the world of trikes, this review will cover everything you need to know about the Gold Wing Trike 2025 in a way that's both technical and easy to digest. The 2025 Honda Gold Wing Trike is not just another three-wheeler. It's a symbol of grand touring evolved to meet modern demands. Built on Honda's legendary touring platform, this trike is a head-turner that combines timeless design with next-generation enhancements. The bold and aerodynamic profile instantly stands out with sharp body lines, LED lighting all around, a commanding front end, and a confident rear stance that speaks volumes about power and luxury. Under the bodywork lies a masterfully engineered 1833cc flat six-cylinder engine, known across the touring world for its buttery-smooth performance and responsive power delivery. This engine generates exceptional torque at low RPMs and pushes out plenty of horsepower to conquer highways, steep inclines, and everything in between. It's not just about raw power, it's about delivering that power with finesse and consistency, mile after mile. When it comes to transmission, the 2025 Gold Wing Trike comes in two refined options, a traditional 6-speed manual gearbox and Honda's seamless 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. The DCT system is perfect for touring riders who prefer convenience and smooth automatic shifting while still having the option for manual control. This makes urban riding, steep parking lots, and stop-and-go traffic a breeze, thanks to features like walking mode and reverse assist. Handling is where the Honda Gold Wing Trike really sets itself apart. It's equipped with a double wishbone front suspension system that isolates road bumps while maintaining precise steering. Combined with a Pro-Link rear suspension and a perfectly balanced frame, the trike delivers a smooth, stable, and confidence-inspiring ride on highways, rural backroads, or tight curves. It handles with a lightness that defies its size, giving riders more control and comfort during long hauls. Comfort is front and center with the Gold Wing Trike 2025. The seat is wide, deeply cushioned, and features both rider and passenger heating options for those chilly early morning rides. The ergonomics are fine-tuned for long-distance travel, offering relaxed hand and foot positioning, excellent wind protection, and even lumbar support. The electric windscreen adjusts easily and remembers your preferred setting every time you ride, ensuring consistent comfort and visibility. Technology on the 2025 Honda Gold Wing Trike is among the best in the touring segment. It includes a full-color high-resolution infotainment display with Bluetooth connectivity, voice commands, built-in GPS navigation, and smartphone integration through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Riders can easily control music, maps, and messages without taking their hands off the handlebars. Every journey becomes more enjoyable with this smart and immersive digital interface. Safety is a top priority on the Honda Gold Wing Trike. It features advanced anti-lock braking systems on all three wheels, along with traction control and torque control to manage slippery or uneven surfaces. The trike also includes hill start assist, which is incredibly helpful when riding uphill with a passenger or full luggage. LED headlights and taillights ensure maximum visibility in low light conditions, boosting both safety and style. Storage capacity is a major win for touring enthusiasts. The integrated saddlebags and large trunk offer over 100 liters of weather-resistant cargo space. Whether you're packing for a cross-country ride or a weekend getaway, there's more than enough room for your essentials. The luggage compartments open electronically and are fully lockable with Honda's smart key system, adding both convenience and security to your travels. Fuel efficiency on the Gold Wing Trike is surprisingly good for such a powerful touring machine. The engine is tuned for smooth cruising, allowing the trike to achieve a generous range on a single tank. Thanks to Honda's efficient fuel injection system and aerodynamic design, you can expect solid mileage whether you're riding solo or fully loaded with a passenger and gear. This translates to fewer fuel stops and more time on the road. The exterior design of the 2025 Gold Wing Trike blends sport and luxury. From its chrome accents and sculpted body panels to its aggressive front fairing and modern lighting signature, every inch of this trike reflects high-end craftsmanship. The 50th Anniversary Edition introduces exclusive paint options, commemorative badging, and premium trim that celebrates decades of Honda's leadership in the touring segment. Performance on the road is where the Honda Gold Wing Trike truly shines. It delivers instant torque, smooth gear transitions, and whisper-quiet cruising even at high speeds. The stability of 3 wheels allows for safer cornering and improved braking, especially when riding with a passenger. The wide footprint offers excellent road grip, while the low center of gravity keeps the trike grounded and easy to handle at any speed. Features like cruise control, ambient lighting, auto-canceling turn signals, smart ignition, and tire pressure monitoring give the 2025 Gold Wing Trike a luxury vehicle feel. Every switch and control is designed with rider convenience in mind. From the moment you start the trike to the moment you park it, the riding experience feels premium and effortless, enhancing long journeys in every possible way. The price of the 2025 Honda Gold Wing Trike is competitive for a high-end touring trike, with the base version starting around the $30,000 range. Considering the performance, comfort, safety, and technology packed into this machine, it offers excellent value for riders who want the best in long-distance touring. Honda's reputation for reliability and low maintenance also makes it a smart long-term investment. As one of the most complete touring machines ever produced, the 2025 Honda Gold Wing Trike is the perfect fusion of power, style, innovation, and comfort. Whether you're planning coast-to-coast adventures or relaxing weekend escapes, this trike delivers in every category. From the legendary engine to the cutting-edge tech, it stands tall as a benchmark for what luxury touring should be. Stay tuned to GearShift Garage for more in-depth reviews, rider tips, and everything happening in the world of motorcycles.